this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook query error on iPhone. Let's get started. First, this issue is often caused by a weak connection or a temporary app bug. So check internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and server data. Also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. You can also give a first restart to your router if needed. Next, first close the app, launch Facebook, swipe up, remove the app, then again relaunch it. Next thing you want to do is enable background app refresh. For that, launch settings, go to general, then head over to the option background app refresh. From the list of apps, find Facebook and make sure you have toggle on for it. Next up, log out of your account and log in back. Launch Facebook, click on three bars, click on log out and confirm it. Now wait for a few minutes and log in back. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Facebook from your device and reinstall it. For that, close this, press and hold on the Facebook app, select remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, download it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.